Project code ITIMP12. Project title Cervical Histopathology Image Classification using Convolutional Neural Network and Weakly Superficial Learning. In our aim of our project, detect the cervical cancer with the use of histopathology image. These are the histopathology images. These are taken from the tissues, affected tissue. Next, what is a new model to detect the tissues? So our model is convolutional neural network. In convolutional neural network is a deep learning model. Is a easy to analyze the diseases. In existing, they used machine learning and a artificial neural network model. With the use of these two models to detect the cervical cancer. In existing drawbacks, they don't detect accurately and also no segmentation will be done here. So our proposed concept we used in CNN to detect the cervical cancer locations and classifications. It's a different from machine learning algorithm. So it's a in machine learning it need a more complex data. In deep learning is a less amount of data is enough for to analyze the diseases. The proposed advantages accuracy and a fast and reliable system. In our existing used in SVM and ANN. SVM is a support vector machine. Like example, these are the data set for disease. These are the data set for normal. The intermediate line detect with the SVM algorithm to separate the diseases. In ANN is a neural model with the neural model to detect the tissues, affected tissue. In proposed model, CNN will be used. In CNN, is a different layer will be there. First one is input layer, second hidden layer, and third is output layer. In input layer, we use in input image, and hidden layer we use in convolutional layers, reload layer, and a max pooling layer. Finally, we get the output from these layers, and with the help of CNN to classify the disease. This is a black diagram. First take an input image. Second one is pre-processing. In pre-processing done with adding a filters and a gray conversion. And next is text segmentation to detect the tumor part and finally create the CNN layer with the CNN layer to detect the output. Application main application is early detection for treatments. Sorry, fast treatments and is a low SNR conditions. So in future, I use it in single dataset images to analyze. In future, they analyze the multiple multi dataset models to analyze the diseases. So here the MATLAB 2018 A is enough for the project. So why you choose for MATLAB mean is at least easy and understandable language. It had lot of machine learning and deep learning toolboxes will be there. So easy to use. And next is a hardware support 64-bit OS is must for the MATLAB. Conclusion, our aim is detect the cervical cancer with the help of histopathology image done with CNN. Thank you.